Watch those shots. Whoa, they're sounding close. It's all right.
Contact center to the rear by the blanket.
You got hood coming off to the left.
That was a big one. Granite block.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Ah! Oh.
Sorry, give me my hand up.
Hey man, they think there's one of our teams in the house that's really crisp.
Yeah.
Call them out as you get hit. Call 1, 2, 3.
Ooh. Don't get shot at. Ooh, felt that one.
2! Right where the vest ends.
Hate that.
Damn, how close was he?
Contact with the blanket!
Whoa. How the hell did I get hit? Correct. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ooh.
Yep.
I'm glad I didn't get shot right there.
Got the chicken wing! Squirrel! I'm gonna go hunt a squirrel!
Ooh.
Behind the blanket.
Less than 5 minutes.
Hey, you need to move back on our spot, dude. What the fuck is he? Hey, flag.
Yeah.
Our base.
No, opposite base.
Up to the base.
I said our base. You guys are like, yeah.
Fritz.
Blanket.
Whoa, whoa.
You want to be on the blanket?
Sorry.
You can turn the back.
Orange,
You
man.
put a, like a flagpole on you, dude, on the cameraman.
Well, I got the orange for.
I couldn't see. I heard somebody come, but I couldn't see behind.
Oh, okay. I'm glad you didn't shoot.
If you had like a 3-foot flag, I'd. But
We
that-
can
that's
arrange-
going overkill.
We can arrange something like that.
You got one. Fine, right. Don't stop. You out? All three? Oh.
Let me get my iron face up next time.
Is that 2 or 3? All right, we got one over here on our left.
Oh!
Oh, sorry. I got you before you start.
Mmm. Ah. Ah.
Flag over here, but it's in the open.
Oh, fuck you, Fritz. Oh.
Oh.
Collarbone. I'm good.
We got Conti over here in the house.
1 minute.
We got the flag over here. It's in the open.
Oh. Glad I'm not bleeding.